A stitch unveils a world, a thread weaves prosperity, the dance of needle and thread. Embroiders China's vibrant cultural tapestry. Chinese embroidery boasts millennia of history, renowned for exquisite craftsmanship and distinctive styles. Four major schools dominate the art: Shu, Su, Yu, and Xiang embroideries, supplemented by regional ethnic techniques. Su's cats, Xiang's tigers, Yu's dragons, Shu's fish, timeless masterpieces of the craft. Shu embroidery, Sichuan, dates back to the Eastern Jin dynasty, paired with brocade as Sichuan's treasures. Noted for delicate precision, vibrant colors, and fluid lines, it embodies regional character. Its 12 major stitching techniques and 130-plus variants surpass other schools. 70-plus specialized threads are uniquely Shu. Stitches demand perfect alignment, lustrous surfaces, and supple density. Shading stitches create dimensional textures, capturing light, color, and form with photorealistic detail. Su embroidery, Jiangsu, spans over 2 millennia. Legend tracing to royal artisans. Its hallmarks: landscapes with depth, architecture with dimension, figures brimming with life, flora and fauna radiating vitality. Delicate stitches create flowing lines and layered compositions, harmonizing meticulous design with vibrant color schemes. Masterpieces balance technical mastery with artistic vision, the true mark of excellence. Xiang embroidery, Hunan, reflects Chu culture through its signature scattered stitches. Random yet precise insertions, contrasting orderly techniques, creating dimensional gradients. Specially treated threads achieve luminous smoothness, split finer than hair, dubbed goat whisker threads. Xiang works burst with realism, vivid hues layered in yin-yang contrasts. Versatile stitches and meticulous detailing create magic. Flowers exude fragrance, birds seem to sing, tigers charge, figures breathe with life. Yu embroidery combines Guangzhou and Xiaozhou styles, 1,000 years strong. Gold-outlined motifs, in jubilant colors, define Yu's opulent aesthetic. Lush, intricate patterns radiate festive energy. Its raised gold embroidery creates bold bas-relief effects. Water paths, strategic gaps, enhance dimensionality, balance through separation. Deliberate spacing between petals and feathers sharpens focus. Miao embroidery embodies ethnic identity. Dense compositions flow with organic curves, varying line weights, dance between solid and void, achieving lyrical movement. Colors transcend realism. Bold hues reflect cultural psyche. Visionary combinations of ruby and emerald, cobalt and onyx create electric harmony. Chilling blues clash with fiery reds, a symbolic chromatic language, blending observed vitality with dreamlike fantasy, defining Miao's unique aesthetic. Bian embroidery, song style, originated in Bianjing, Kaifeng. Generations of artisans have refined. 36 distinct stitching techniques were codified, elevating Bian embroidery to new heights of refinement. Its mastery lies in precise thread manipulation, varying thickness with purpose. The interplay between threads flows seamlessly, capturing subtle gradations to render textures with striking realism. Bian works breathe with lifelike vitality. Meticulous craftsmanship, exquisite detailing, harmonious classical hues make this a rare gem in the embroidery world.